So these kind of signs that you have here with the name of the city, they have that everywhere. I've seen that in so many cities in Colombia. You see that tango show? Mírala. What is going on? Crazy amount of people. It is packed. Okay. Wow. I missed a good thumbnail there. Always makes me sad, breaks my heart. Apoya el arte. Wow. Ay, Dios. Peinado. This was actually where I was before. It is pretty crowded here.
Que no es peludo, que tiene el pelo largo. Ah, pero esto ya son clásicos. Todas clásicas. No, las películas de ya son muy... Hay que ser más
Always walking like senior citizens. Okay. Caminamos. Okay. So this was where I was walking before. I think if I keep walking here, I will end up in this square that I was before. Yes, I remember this street. The very hilly street. So I'll walk back there, see what happens. And then I'll see if my friend shows up. Maybe I charge my camera a little bit because it's dying again.
Cualquier cosa siempre para una de casa, mire cabía. Y en todos los que dicen la inflación está difícil, el dinero ya no alcanza. Y cada día suben los servicios, sube la comida. Mire acá, un peso más que usted se viste, mire cabía. Este es chullonita, bien. Otro para la señora, ya le recibo una mitad, primero lo entrego ensayado y probado. Mire acá, para que lo lleve así ensayadito y probadito, bajo la prueba técnica del televisor. Mire qué belleza, ¿le gusta la imagen? Traiga. Mire acá. Al que no le gusta la señal es porque está ciego de verdad. Mire acá.
¿Qué es eso?
Mamita, lo que le diga es mentira porque tengo una presentación en Expo Futuro. Mire cabía. ¿Sí? Hoy acá en la vía pública.
La señora quiere mirar la dama, el machete, hágame la casa. ¿Por qué? Porque es fácil. Con la lima hay que hacer un curso. Yo le digo a la gente, usted le compra una lima a la señora y no le
Ay, people walking here, it's unbelievable. Nice bra, or whatever it was. So I'm heading back to the same place where I had ice cream, picadas. I would really like a coffee, a real coffee.
Las salchipapas a 6, será fijado 4.500, deja 2.700.
Yeah, as you see, I'm back here with the food where they had the old hamburgers. Yeah, I asked them before, like, are the hamburgers fresh? Why do you have 4 already made? It's usually a sign that the food is very old, if it's just already laying there. Like the horrible chorizo I had yesterday. It was the worst I've ever had in my whole life. Still upset about that one. Okay, let's see if I can find Wow. What the hell? What the hell? Uh-huh.
Mi amor lindo. 30.000 a un detalle, princesa.
Se digan la fama de mi pistola, para Dios de mi tierra, la sierra, fue nuestra gloria. Sobre mi tumba levanten una cruz de marihuana. No quiero llanto ni rezos, tanto.
What's up, guys? Since there was some sound issues moving forward here from 2 clips, I just wanted to say a few words, and that is that we really enjoyed our stay in Manizales, and it seems like a nice city. It's small but nice. People seem more conservative, but it's nice. It's chillier. It's probably a nice place to live with someone, provided, let's say, you have a family or a girlfriend. I don't know, if you're single there, perhaps that would not be the place that I would stay. If you had a job, I think you could find a better woman there than you would in Medellin, but then you really would need to live there. Just staying somewhere a few months or traveling, even if you go 6 months, that I've been traveling like several times, that is not a long time to get to know someone. You have to be really lucky to meet someone. So for that reason, I would say, yeah, cool place to visit, especially during La Feria, where I went. But apart from that, it's not probably a place there where I would go many times, no. So take it for what it's worth. Here I'm sharing some footage from when we walked around on the last day. We had an ice cream, the day where we were eating like crazy people. And then also a little bit further on, we had a milhoja, which is like a postre, like a treat that you can get like in the bakeries normally. But this version was kind of like a much bigger version that they made differently, and there will be some footage coming up showing that. So wish you a great day, guys. Ciao.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just Tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't want